Scientists discovered that when a sperm enters an egg, the egg explodes with a tiny zinc-powered spark, like a biological firework. It lasts only a moment, but it marks something huge, a brand new genetic blueprint forming instantly. And here's the wildest part. The brighter the flash, the healthier the egg. It's nature's hidden signal showing which embryos are most likely to grow strong, a discovery that could even improve IVF success. We can't see it without powerful microscopes. But inside that split-second spark is the beginning of an entirely new human story. One flash, one moment, the first light of life.